Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pak Study MCQs Part 20. When did Pakistan become a member of Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO? Answer is 9 June 2017. When did Pakistan become a member of Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO? 9th June 2017. Last Mughal empire was dash. Answer is Badr Shah 2. Last Mughal empire was dash. Badr Shah 2. Eden of Sindh is called Larkana. Eden of Sindh is called Larkana. Hamal Lake is situated in district Kambar Shadakot. Hamal Lake is situated in district Kambar Shadakot. First capital of Sumra dynasty was dash. Mansura. First capital of Sumra dynasty was dash. Mansura. The coal is dash largest coal reserves of the world. 7th. Thar coal is dash largest coal reserves of the world. 7. Thar coal is dash largest coal reserves of the world. 7th. Islamabad is a dash territory. Islamabad is a dash territory. Name the famous poet of Pakistan who was given the title Khudai Sohan or God of Poetry. Answer is Mir Taqi Mir. Name the famous poet of Pakistan who was given the Khudai Sohan or God of Poetry. Mir Taqi Mir. Bambor is famous for dash. Sassi Panno. Sassi and Panno. Bambor is famous for dash. Sassi and Panno. Who is the author of Warrior Race, A Journey Through the Land of the Tribal Pathans? Imran Khan. Who is the author of Warrior Race, A Journey Through the Land of the Tribal Pathans? Imran Khan. Who prepared Pirpur Report of 1938? Raja Sayyid Muhammad Mehdi. Who prepared Pirpur Report of 1938? Raja Sayyid Muhammad Mehdi. Pakistan's official map was drawn by dash. Mian Mahmud Alam. Pakistan's official map was drawn by dash. Mian Mahmud Alam. Where is the French beach located? Karachi. Where is the French beach located? Karachi. The first Gazette of Pakistan was issued on August 15, 1947 for appointment of Governor General of Pakistan. The first Gazette of Pakistan was issued on August 15, 1947 for appointment of Governor General of Pakistan. Sher Shah Suri was a dash Pashtun. Sher Shah Suri was a dash. Answer is Pashtun. The Unionist Party was formed in dash 1923. The Unionist Party was formed in dash 1923. When the Federal Shariat Code established 1980. When the Federal Shariat Code established 1980. When and where did Haji Shariatullah born? Faridpur 1781. Where and when and where did Haji Shariatullah born? Faridpur 1781. Who gave suggestion for formation of SARC? Ziaur Rahman. Who gave suggestion for formation of SARC? Ziaur Rahman. Mango Peer named after dash. Sufi Peer Haji Sayyid Sakhi Sultan. Mango Peer named after dash. Sufi Peer Haji Sayyid Sakhi Sultan.